I just love transformations. Like, I love getting from point A to point B and having it be crazy in the middle, but then it ends up being fine. That's usually how they go. Have a little inspiration from my friend Marla Catherine. She just posted a video of her doing different 70s hairstyles, and I was a little inspired. You know, with my hair this frizzy, I think I am perfect for the 70s. And I just got new pants. Shout out to Alyssa, Willett, thank you. Now, one of my favorite 70s icons is Stevie Nicks. You know, Landslide, Edge of 17, Sarah, Rhiannon, like she has bops and she is such a vibe. When she was in American Horror Story, I was the first one to buy a kimono after that. I am very excited for this video. Let's transform myself into a 70s someone. Someone from the 70s. No, transform myself. Turn myself into 70s. I don't know how to word this. Transform myself 70s? Is that gonna be the title? Now, I mean makeup, I mean hair, I mean accessories, I mean outfit. This is gonna be good. Let's do it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's not bad. Weird. Oh my god, honestly, other than my lip color, this is like the makeup my mom did for me for my first ballet recital. Next up, we are going to be doing my hair. So I'm going to be doing the 70s like shaggy look. I don't really know what exactly it's called, but it was like a layered, brushed out, natural hair look with some bangs. So I figured, why not have my regular hair just brushed out, but I'll also add in my extensions on the bottom, so it might look a little like mullety. But I think we can get the same look. Might have to cut some bangs, we'll see. You guys know I commit to these transformations. Let's do my hair. Well, okay. I just worked way too hard. I don't think it's a vibe. I thought we could do it with extensions, but we can't. So, time to take out the wigs. Game plan number 2. So I have one dark brown wig that already has the bangs cut, that I have worn before a couple times. It is from YS Wigs. It could be a winner. It looks like there are some like layers already in it. If I curl them and flare them out a little bit, could be the vibe. Let's see if we can do something with this.
Hello darkness, my old friend.
I mean, we're there, okay? Let's brush it out and let's curl some bits and let's see if this works. It looks a little 80s to me, but I didn't live throughout any of those times, so I don't really know. Let's call it good on the makeup and the hair, and now let's pick an outfit. Having this photo as reference, I recently just got some bell-bottom style jeans. Another thing I noticed a lot is that she wears these like wedge heels, which I happen to have. Here are my version of the 70s wedge. You can also tell that she wears all these like very natural, earthy bracelets and necklaces. Maybe I should just wear all my rings. Ooh, we got this. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. I wish I had this. The closest thing I have is like a cheetah club style, and that would not work. All I need is like a piece of fabric even, and I can like pin it up, but I don't even have that. What I do have though is like, there is this fit that she wore that like phenomenal, like amazing job. Good job, Stevie. With this kind of style in mind, what if I was able to take this kimono and if I closed it in the front and like kind of pinned it, you know? I think I could like replicate this style. So, let's do that. Okay, here we are. The top has to be improvised a bit more. So I'm thinking I should probably put a belt on or like something. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna figure it out and then we'll have the final look. Stay tuned.